Hello, Chicken Loss can help you.
Hello?
Hello?
It's Abdu, your neighbor.
Abdul,
Yes, stupid! Bring me back my newspaper right now.
bring me back my newspaper right now.
Yeah, the newspaper. Every day you're taking my newspaper from my doorstep. Don't
You're
go
very
quiet
funny.
now, Habibi. You still there?
You're very funny. You're very funny, my friend. You're very funny. Yeah.
Don't lie to me, you donkey.
I'm not like
Every
you.
morning I see you creeping over to my house and taking the paper. Look, why are you
Because
doing
your
this?
paper,
You
because
can't
your
buy your
paper
own
is
paper?
very nice.
You have to steal from me?
The paper is very nice. It's got page 3 in it.
Look,
So
you
I
want
like
me to come
it.
knock on your door right now?
Yes, you can. Yeah,
Are you ready for me, Mr. Stupid?
I am. Come in then. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want a newspaper? I will bring you one and
Yes.
slap you across the face with it.
See, listen, this is very funny. I like it. I like it. Listen, I had an awful day today. You just put a smile on my face, my friend. Thank you very much, yeah.